Let's talk about generative pre-trained transformers and software development productivity. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This type of AI accepts prompts in languages humans use and can generate responsive, sensible output expressed in normal human language. But they can also generate responses in computer languages. That is, they can create code. This ability will add productivity to an already highly evolved set of tools used to create software. The designers of programming languages have tried to make languages productive, readable, succinct, expressive, and efficient, among other qualities their designers have pursued. Code is a string of characters that is processed into the bits computers use as instructions and data. The main tool the programming language designers have is to design a syntax for a language so that it has desirable properties. While transforming human-readable arrays of bits into a machine-executable array of bits is a correct description of how code turns into what happens inside a computer, it is increasingly a minor part of how software actually happens. On a parallel track, makers of programming tools coders use to write software, called integrated development environments, or IDEs, have created the ability to present code in a structured way. When a coder writes code in a modern IDE, the code is turned into data structures where the syntax and semantics of every part of the code, the names of variables, the operators, the methods, etc., are all known to the IDE. All the elements of a program can be analyzed and manipulated with this knowledge. IDEs now prevent incorrect syntax and catch many potential problems in programs before a coder is finished writing a program. This is where generative pre-trained transformers that have been trained on vast amounts of code will add another very large increment in coding productivity. Coders can create more code faster, but importantly, existing code can be rapidly scanned for subtle errors, like using too much memory or working slower than it could do, or bad areas of concurrency. If you code yourself, you know that concurrency is often a difficult part of programming. While there's some debate over calling generative pre-trained transformers genuine artificial intelligence, there is no question that code will be an extremely fertile and productive area to apply this technology.